Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today we're going to do something with chicken. It's nothing but chicken korma. This creamy chicken korma recipe has tender chicken in a mildly spiced curry sauce. Korma curries are generally spiced not for heat but for flavor. But you guys know me. I love my food spicy, so I just dial up the chili. The traditional korma will have a long, slow cooking process, but this is a quick version using a pressure cooker. So I'll just show you how you can do this yummy chicken korma in just 20 minutes. And now let's get started. So first of all, clean and wash your chicken well and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. It's time to marinate the chicken. To the chicken, add in some salt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder and yogurt. Mix it all well, give it a nice massage and set it aside for about 20 minutes. Longer the better, of course. Marinating chicken with turmeric and salt helps reduce the smell of the chicken as well as tenderizes the chicken well. Now let's make the masala paste. So these are all the ingredients you'll need for the masala paste. To a mixer jar, add in some ginger garlic paste. You can also use fresh ginger and whole garlic. Some whole spices. I'm using cinnamon, cloves and 1 cardamom. Some poppy seeds. Some desiccated coconut. And some nuts. I'm using a few cashews and almonds. And finally, last but not the least, a few green chilies for that spice kick. Now grind all the ingredients to a fine paste, adding some hot water. And as I always say, when grinding poppy seeds, first powder them finely without adding water and then add some hot water. Soak it for a minute and then grind to a fine paste. Soaking in hot water aids easy grinding of poppy seeds. And ta-da! You have your masala paste ready. And now it's time to start making our yummy chicken korma. Let's start it. To a pressure cooker over medium heat, add in some oil. I'm preparing it in a pressure cooker, but you can cook it directly in any pot on the stove top. Once oil is hot enough, add in some whole spices. And by the way, details of all the ingredients will be given in the description box below. Saute for a minute until you get a nice aroma. Oh my god, your kitchen smells like divine. To this, add in some chopped onions and saute until they turn translucent and slightly brown. But don't burn them, okay? Now add in some chopped tomatoes and saute until they become mushy. Add in marinated chicken and cook for about 2 minutes. Now add in the ground masala paste. At this stage, you can add some more chili powder if you want it spicy. You can always adjust spice levels to suit your taste. Fry until the raw smell goes away. This will take about 5 minutes. Now add in required water to cover the chicken. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy to suit your requirement. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook over medium-high heat for about 3 whistles. Now turn off the heat. Open the pressure cooker once the pressure completely subsides. Finally, sprinkle some Garam Masala Powder and add in some coriander. Transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with coriander and serve. And you have your yummy chicken korma ready. This korma is best paired with chicken biryani, vegetable pulao, coconut milk rice, roti, paratha, idli, dosa, or just plain rice with some rasam. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, right? If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Padma, signing off.